First, we need to connect all the wires to the ports correctly. This is the power wire. Connect to the 36 and 38 port. Then connect the wire 1 to port 1. Connect the wire 2 to port 2. Connect the wire 3 to port 10. Connect the wire 4 to port 11. Connect wire 5 to port 14. Connect wire 12 to port 17. Connect wire 10 to port 18. Connect wire 11 to port 19. Connect wire 9 to port 20. Connect wire 6 to port 21. Connect wire 7 to port 22. Connect the wire 8 to port 23. Then short circuit some ports. Short circuit the port and port 3. Short circuit the port 4 and port 5. Short circuit the port 5 and port 6. Short circuit the port 7 and port 8. Short circuit the port 8 and port 9. Short circuit the port 10 and port 13. Short circuit the port 11 and port 12. Short circuit the port 14 and port 15. Short circuit the port 22 and port 24. Press the set button to enter the setting interface. Set the up code to 110 by adjusting the up and down button. Then press OK button. Now let's set the stator winding temperature. For a phase set, set the alarm temperature to 140 degrees. Set trip temperature to 145 degrees. Set the back value temperature to 135 degrees. Then press OK button. Keep the parameters of phase B and phase C unchanged, and press the OK button directly to enter the next option. For front sets, front bearing set. Set the alarm temperature to 120 degrees. Set the trip temperature to 125 degrees. Set the back value temperature to 115 degrees. Then press OK button. Keep the parameters of phase B and phase C unchanged, and press the OK button directly to enter the next option. For adjust the temp 1. This function is to adjust the difference between the screen display temperature and the actual temperature up to 20 degrees. Please adjust phase A according to the actual situation. Do not adjust phase B and phase C. Then press OK button. For adjust the temp to the function is the same as adjust the temp 1. Please adjust front according to the actual situation. Do not adjust back. Then press OK button. Set the alarm delay to 5 seconds. Set the trip delay to 5 seconds. Then press OK button. Set the humidity alarm set the alarm to 85%. Set the trip to 95%. Next, press the OK button repeatedly to return to the initial display, interface, meshing coil, and